Stop touching it. Mm-hmm. Hey babes, it's Ams and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to effectively style your synthetic wig and make it look more natural, of course. So first, I'm going to start by straightening up my part and making sure that it's more defined. And I'm doing this before I start the plucking process. This is a Valentino wig with a 5-inch lace part and the color 2. Since this is not a lace front, I wanted to make sure that my scalp blended in with this wig. So of course, I'm going to do a plucking method that's a little bit different. After I define the part, I'm going to pluck a little bit more hair in the front area because this is going to be the area that I cut a triangle, and this is going to help it blend in better with my scalp. After all that plucking, I just had minimal shedding. It wasn't even bad. I'm going to use the baby hairs that are already on the wig, and I'm just going to sporadically pluck them and thin them out to make them look more natural. I decided to keep the baby hairs because I felt that it could frame my face, but if you do not like baby hairs, just go ahead and cut them off. Now I'm taking some small scissors and cutting a triangle. So this is where things got tricky for me. I should have stopped there. Of course, it was already great. But then I go in and my silly self goes and make the triangle even bigger. Please don't do that. Let the triangle be very, very small. You do not need a big triangle to blend in with your scalp. I'm using Fit Me powder on the lace to blend in with my scalp. Guys, this wig is so pretty to me. I can't wait to show you in golden brown as well. But I am using Kenra dry shampoo, and this is going to help me get rid of some of that luster that, of course, all synthetic wigs have. It's just too shiny. So this Kenra spray, it smells amazing, and I'm going to have it linked below. I repeated this styling process on my golden brown wig as well. This wig is looking good. I love this wig already, but I'm going to use my Time Mode straightening brush just to make sure that I get that crown area laid down. You can also use a pressing comb. I forgot earlier to show you the construction of this wig, but you can see here the 5-inch lace. Then also there are 2 clips at the top and 1 clip at the bottom, and there is an adjustable strap. Oh, by the way, I just have some cornrows. I have about 10 of them, just braided to the back, nothing special. I have a little widow's peak, so you know, the girl be trying to have a middle part, but it'd be tough. It'd be real tough out here. So, oh, and I scooped the wig cap back just a little bit because, like I said, I want the middle part of the wig, because there is no lace, to blend in better, because I cut that little triangle out. So let's get to styling. I like how this wig feels. Feels good. All right, and it's that easy. Let's take this down. I just wanted just a little bit of baby hair, not a lot. Of course, because I didn't want it to be too thick, I had to pluck it. But just a little something to kind of frame the face, since there's no lace with this. Gotta have a little something, you know, down. Oh, by the way, I always recommend, you know, in case your edges tend to show, put just a little bit of edge control. And this is also, oh, the Rub Challenge edge control, the I think Arcani. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I really wanted some, so I bought a little bit of it. And I just come here and smooth down my edges just a little bit. I don't even have much out because these are fresh braids, so I don't have much edge to lay down right now. Looking down those edges, slick those edges. I never even tried really the Rub Challenge. That's so funny. I've got it and I didn't even try to do the whole laying down my edges and seeing if it moves and everything. I like this edge control though. I'm a fan. Like, it works pretty good. Okay, body. Yes, I'm loving this hair. This looks so, it's so pretty. It's 2021 summer vibes. That's what this is. Body, all that. Yes, I'm loving this hair. It's just so pretty. It don't even look synthetic to me. Like, has a little bit of shine. Like I said, you can use a little bit of this camera spray, and I'll have everything linked below, but this gives me life. And also, because of the lighting, there's a little bit more shine to the hair, but in person it's really not that much shine. Okay. All right, well, let's get into the next one. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.